Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396, black on black. This is a true SS 396 car, and it was built in Oshawa, Ontario. Let's start at the rear here. I'll show you the trunk lid here is nice and shiny. Looks good. Here's your trunk itself. It's all spackle coated, as you can see here, as it should be, and I'll show you the condition here. So nice solid trunk here, as you can see underneath the liner here. We do have a stereo system that was just installed, so it's got kicker subs right here, and then we have two caption amps here. Really nice system here. Here's your spare tire, so it's got the SS rally wheel here and a BF Goodrich tire. With the jack here. We'll close the lid here. We'll zoom out here so you can see the car there. So he's got the two speakers here. That's updated as well. So two kicker speakers back there. Paint on this car is nice and shiny. It's a black. It's nice and deep. Car has not been polished yet, so it'll look even better. Chrome looks great. As you can see here, you're gonna see a little bit of patina just from a little bit of age, like around the lights here. The badges have a little bit, but overall really nice condition. Chevelle by Chevrolet badge there. Of course, that's where your fuel goes. I'll show you underneath the car here. So you can see it's nice and clean. Tank has been replaced. We have a full 3-inch exhaust system, stainless steel. Here's your rear end. It's got Richmond 390 gears in it. It's got a high flow fuel pump. I'll come back here now. Let's check out the wheel and tire combination. So it's got the classic 15-inch Crager wheels in chrome. I love the look of these rims on these old muscle cars. We got the BF Goodrich radial TA tires. We got a 245/60 R15 in the rear, and we got the drum brakes in the rear as well. Here's your exhaust tip, so a nice polished tip, comes right behind the wheel. Real unique. Show you the front wheel here. So we got the disc brakes in the front, and then we have a staggered wheel. So the front size is a 235/60 R15. So we got some more meat in the rear to put down that power. Okay, we'll make our way to the, show you just the rocker panels here. It's got like a kind of a coating there, so helps prevent from stone chips. Show you the door panel here. So it's got the nice premium door panel, the SS 396 badges. So here's your door release and your window cranks. I'll show you the windows. They do come down nice and easy and go up just as nice. Now you might see a little bit of scratching in the window here. They are original to the car, kind of be expected for the car. So I'll put that on this window here as well, and put that seat down there so you can see the rear seat. So the condition back here, vinyl's in great condition. You got armrests back here. Back in '69, you got the ashtrays on both sides, and all the seat belts, all original GM seat belts. Here's your package tray, nice and clean there. And the speakers. I'll show you the headliner. The headliner looks great. It looks pretty tight all the way around, so it's not your typical mechanic headliner. Carpet's all been replaced. So I'll show you underneath here. It's nice and clean. We got the floor mats keeping it protected, and then your seat folded down here. Now you might see a little bit of paint coming off these type of areas, but overall it's really great there as well. Show you the door jambs. So you can see the door jambs are nice and clean here. The sill plate looks pretty good. Little ding there. It's missing the Fisher badge there, but overall great. Again, floor carpet looks great here, and we'll scan the condition of the seat. So nice vinyl seats, the bucket seats, so that's what you want back then. Headrests, and it's got the center console, which we'll see in a bit. Open up the glove box here. So it's got a nice deep glove box. We have the booklet for the stereo system in there. And let's go ahead and close the door here. We'll have the windows down because I want to show you how cool that looks. The back window, again, has a little bit of scratches in it just from the age, and some of the trim is a little bit buff scuff there, but not too bad. It's kind of what you expect on these cars. And we'll walk down here. You can see the shine on this paint. Paint looks great on this car. And we'll come back here. I'll show you the down here. So it's got the SS stripe on the side in white. Here's your door handle. Looks great. Minor scratches on it, but again, probably original to the car. Wheel one trim there looks great. Coming to the front here, the grille looks great. The headlights look great. The bumper looks great. Overall, just great condition. And here's underneath the hood here. So I show you that there. Looks great. And then we got a nice surprise underneath the hood here. So the car was originally an SS 396 car, which is the biggest motor you could get back in '69 in a Chevelle. It has been upgraded to a GM crate motor. It's a 502 cubic inch motor. So it makes over 500 horsepower from the crate. It's got the nice air cleaner here, the Chevrolet. It's got a Holley 4-barrel carb. You see all the braided lines here. We got headers here. That goes to the Magnaflow dual exhaust. It's got the upgraded accessory drive, so it's all billet. So your alternator. We have power brakes, you got power steering, you got a nice big aluminum radiator, and you got dual electric fans here. You can see the nice Chevrolet bow ties in the corners of the fan here. And I'll show you, it has a nice optimal battery. And then you got all the speaker components here for your stereo system. So very nice and tidy. Close this hood here. And we'll come back here now. And I'll show you the hood here. So nice and shiny. Again, black paint, shows everything. Very deep. But we'll polish it and it'll look even better. It looks great the way it is now. But you'll see once it's done, those chrome wheels, black car on the muscle car. Hard to beat that. There you go there. I do want to show you underneath the car here. So it's all solid. There's your stainless steel exhaust. Very nice. Okay, back to the door panels here. So the door panels look great. I'll show you the jams here. Kick plate. A little bit of scratches there, but not too bad. And move the seat up here. I'll scan the condition of the seat here. Very nice. Headliner on this side here. Looks good. It's hard to believe this car is over 50 years old, 54 years old. And we'll scan the condition of the seat here. Looks great. Now let's hop in the car now. So you got your SS steering wheel here. Here's your wipers. So you got your headlights here, and a nice vent here, circular vent. And then we have your gauges here. So here's your speedometer. The odometer, it's in miles per hour. The odometer on the car right now is 3,259 miles. That's on the rebuild of the engine as well as the transmission. That's how much is on the car. It was over 38,000 miles, I believe. But true kilometers unknown with these cars, obviously. We got a clock in the center here. And then you got your fuel gauge and oil pressure and stuff like that there. We got a Bluetooth speaker here. Car does have Bluetooth. Here's your blinker here. Here's your horn buttons here. SS in the center. Keys go right here. Got a lighter right here. You got your climate controls here, and then here's your stereo system here. So it looks like a vintage deck, but it's actually a modern radio. It's called Custom Auto Sound. So it's Bluetooth, so you can use your phone, but it doesn't just kill the looks with a modern radio in here. Coming down here, we got some extra gauges. So you got oil pressure down here, you got your water temperature, and then right here in the center, this button here is for your automatic overdrive transmission. So if you want to put your overdrive on, just hit on and it goes to your overdrive. We got a tach here that was installed when the motor was installed. We got a nice console in the center. So this was the console to have back then. You can see it has the nice kind of a slapstick design. So then here's your gears here. And again, it does have overdrive, so it's a 4-speed automatic. And it's a gear Vender. I should have showed you that underneath the car, but it is there. Here's your console, so it goes nice and deep in here. Close that there. Really cool looking car. And let's grab the keys here. All the seat belts are here as well. And so it does have the keys, as it should for these cars. And let's start the car up. So it fires right up like nothing. And there's your auto sound there. Let's open this door up now. Oh, we also have the bigger speakers in the kick panels here. So you got 4 speakers all together. Let's rev this car up. Wow. I'll show you up here. The whole car rocks when you hit that throttle just a little bit. What a beast. Let's make our way to the front. I'll turn the headlights on so you can see that lights on the car. Give you a nice profile of the car here. What a beast of a car. Chevelles will always have been hot and popular, and I don't think that's going to change anytime soon. What a great looking car. Hard to come by. Everybody wants them. There's your rear here, exhaust at idle. So here we have it. This is a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. SS396 car with a 502 crate motor and a gear automatic overdrive transmission. The 390 gears. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.